Warning: the stunts in this movie were performed by professionals, so for your safety and the protection of those around you, do not attempt any of the stunts you're about to see.
Just showed up to Mexico. We're about to get a little run in with a 340 right now. What do y'all think, guys? E90, 340. I don't know all the mods right now. I think it's just downpipe on a custom tune with some E85, so comment what you think. M54 is on like 22 pounds right now. 340. Let's see what we can do, guys.
Stage 2, E58, y'all know.
Coming from a 135 M54 too. He left the M54.
I left them M54 boys, I ain't gonna lie. They be doing their thing though, I love the M54. But nah, I went B58.
Oh yeah. Beamer network charge pipe.
Yeah.
Intake. It's on a downpipe?
Downpipe, yeah.
Downpipe?
Stage 2, yeah.
It's on a custom tune or just a OTS mount?
MHD.
Okay.
He said light work, half throttle pull is leaving the B51. One more.
Finally, after everyone's been asking, when are you going to paint the bumper? In the last video, we are getting the bumper dropped off to be painted, and I do have a new front lip, so we're gonna go ahead and go drop off the bumper now. Put some headlights on this boy car today, the cosmetic god, man. We finna upgrade the headlights even more. New black housing style, I don't even know, G20 style 335 headlights. We'll get back to y'all when we put them on too, man.
Butterflies in my feet from this motherfucker. Man, fuck. Nah, bro, this shit too much right here. Fuck.
335 IS that we did the single turbo on, already back with some misfiring index 12s. I was saying we're about to swap out Jamie's headlights right now. Ooh.
Shot.
Here's the ones before that were having water leaks from K2 Industries. They sent Jamie some new ones. That is the headlights I need for the $1,000 335. Holy, they look so good, even the old ones. And boom, New headlights are on there. I don't know if it's the lighting right here, but holy, these are hitting.
Niggas line this out, bro.
Why?
They gonna obey. Nah, fuck that niggas, bro.
We have something coming soon. We might have some similar headlights coming for the E90.
No, you don't. Shut up, Glazer. Stop, Glazer.
Man, how y'all think these look though, man? Are these the best looking E90 lights?
Nah, mine's are, bro.
1 Series, E92.
Right here.
Y'all ain't getting
Right here.
shit.
Right here.
Half-ass polishing. It will be finished up during the rest of the winter. And subscribe to the channel and put on post notifications to make sure you don't miss any other videos with the $1,000 335. Let's go ahead and get the skinny on and see how it looks with them on. As you saw last night, we finished up putting these headlights on Jamie's E90. I think they look so sick. Couldn't even stop thinking about them last night. I'm definitely gonna have to get some for the E90. We are at the shop. It is New Year's. Happy New Year's to everyone watching this video. I might actually already have some coming for the E90. Make sure to leave a like on the video for supporting so you can see more videos.
Now she got the best though. Flamingo. Rebel states on this we meet, they get a person free.
Sorry for the clips putting on the wheels with my phone yesterday, but the Osmo had died and I was in a rush. But yes, we finally got the new and final, hopefully final, wheel setup for $1,000 335.
Hey, when business get personal, pay the standard fee.
We're gonna get a lot more clips of the wheels and the setup in the next video, but I hope everyone enjoyed and watched to the end of this video. And make sure to subscribe and leave on post notifications to see the next video when it's dropped for the N54 and more runs we'll be doing, taking the car out to Mexico. Probably it for this video, and until the next one.
Right now, bitches thinks on that we fuck, they get a purse from me. She like, I know you see me call, why you been weird to me? I dinner could come get you some, it's plentiful lot. When I say quickie, let's hurry up, that mean I'm in a rush. Real street niggas spit on that, but we finna fuck back. She said push like plain Jane, you know that I'm finna bust it down.
Before I end the video, if you haven't seen on the social media, right before I end this video, I want to show we have bought another $1,000 335. This one is an E92, but that is all you will see until we show more of it on the channel.
Yo, you gotta get your spread up.